Got one. Oh my God, he went right after it, right as it hit the water.
Nice one.
Oh my. Okay, buddy. You're gonna have to work with me with this one. Oh yeah, I got this one good too. Yep.
Nice one. He's definitely bigger than the last one.
Oh yeah.
Oh, what about here?
1.46.
Yeah, pound and a halfer. Grab him. Heck
Okay.
yeah, dude. Laying them.
That's 2 in a row. Oh. Oh yeah. I thought he was a lot bigger than that.
In the water?
Yeah. 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 Oh, you caught 2? Oh yeah. Got him.
You're in the honey hole.
Oh my God.
Greg. You recording?
Get in the boat.
You're not?
I am.
Dude, he's bigger. They just keep getting bigger, dude.
Come here, come here, come here, dude. Come here, dude. Okay.
They just keep getting bigger, dude. That one's definitely bigger. What happened?
Nothing. I just hooked him really good. There we go.
Yeah, dude. 3?
3.
That's the most bass you ever caught.
In one day? $1.42. Is that like the same?
Yeah, he looks bigger though.
Okay. That's 3.